my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nana Edna, and if you're an OG, you're most welcome back. Continue watching and liking, commenting, and share my videos to other platforms. So today I'm here to show you how to make a virtual class. I normally do DIY videos, educational videos, and lifestyle vlogs. So today is educational video and we are making a virtual class. So when you're making a virtual class, right now everyone is doing online learning because currently, especially in Kenya, the schools are not yet open because of the pandemic, and it is what it is. We have to continue learning, and we have to make learning interactive and fun and enjoyable. So I've been having a lot of fun creating virtual classes online and using them in my classes, and my kids love them. They do love them because of the Bitmoji and so forth. So let's get into it. So let's get started. So for you to create a virtual class, you come to Google Apps. You come to Google Apps, then you go to Slides. You go to Slides. Then you open your slides. Yes, you open your slides. As you can see, I have a variety of classes that I've created and that I'm using. A variety of classes that I've created and I'm using. So I'm going to show you how to create your virtual class. So the first thing to do, you get start a new presentation, a blank slide. You click on a blank slide. You click on a blank slide, there it is. So you make sure that it is blank, so you delete the text boxes. You delete the text boxes like that. You delete on the text boxes. Once you do that, now you go to background. We want to start background. You choose an image. You go to Google image search. Unless you have already something that you want to upload, then a background that you want to upload. Now you go to Google image search. I'm searching for wall and floor, wall and floor, like that. So I have a variety to choose from. For example, I choose that and then insert. Then I come and say done. So you see my wall is there. So what I do, I already have my background laid there. I can make it darker if I want, like that. For example, it's a bit darker. So the first thing I normally do is get my whiteboard. I go to shapes, I get a rectangle, and then I draw just shape of rectangle like that. Because it's darker, you see it comes like this. If I make it light simple, it is going to be white. Let's see. You see, it's white now. So I can resize this whiteboard the way I want, up to the size that I want, but I think that one is just okay. So the first thing I want to add in my class is a carpet. So I go to insert, image, web search. There it is, and then I write transparent carpet. I'm searching for carpet, so there you have a variety of carpets. There you have a variety, so I'll pick the circular carpet like that and then say insert. Pick that and say insert. There it is. So I'm going to resize it until it fits my class. I resize it like that, and there it is. I resize it a little bit. There it is. I move it a little bit. There it is. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly in the class. So I can decide to change the color of this carpet. For example, I go to format options and recolor. So I have a variety of colors to choose from. As you can see, I have a variety of colors to choose from. Yes, I have a variety of colors to choose from. So I'm going to choose the color that I think will suit my class. I think a color that will suit my class. I love neutral colors, but since the wall is gray, I would like to play around and see what will fit. What will fit in this class? I think the brown one was okay. Yes, let us leave it to be brown like that. Then I need a couch, so I'll get a couch. So I'll go to insert, image, search the web, transparent, couch. So there I have different couches. So I pick that, for example, I insert that. So here you can play with colors the way you want. So there is my couch. I move it to where I want and I resize it. It looks a little bit smaller. So I'm going to resize it to make it look a little bit bigger. Yes. Let me resize it a little bit. So there is my couch. If I want, I can change the color. If I want to change the color, I can change the color. Let me see the color that will really fit there. Okay, yes, I think I'm doing brown neutral colors with the gray. Okay, let's see another color. Let's see another color. Ooh, that has brightened the class a little bit, right? About the carpet. Let's see the color. What about this? The color of the carpet. No. Let's see which other color can we do. I think the gray one is okay. And then I change the color of the couch. The color of the couch. Let's recolor that. Here you have to play with colors. What about yes? What about that? That looks better. It is neutral colors. We play with or a bit darker. A bit darker. Yes, I think that one fits well. What about let's see, a little bit dark. Okay, I think that is okay. Now I just need to resize it a little bit, make it visible. Make it a little bit. Oops, I've moved my whiteboard. Okay, let the whiteboard stay there. Okay, there we have it. There we have it. That's the couch. There you have it. That's the couch. You can rotate it if you want. You can rotate the couch if you want. So I said if you want, if you feel like you want to rotate it. So there we have, let me have now a bookshelf. A bookshelf. So image search web, transparent bookshelf. Bookshelf. So we have different bookshelves there. So I'll search for a bookshelf that will brighten my class a little bit, because I've gone with the neutral colors. So there I have my bookshelf already. Just move it there. I want to enlarge it a little bit and then move it to the corner like that. So there is my bookshelf. I want a plant, so I'll come insert, image, search web, and then transparent plant, like that. So I have a variety. I don't know why I love this plant, I really do. So I just pick it. There it is. So I'm going to resize it. I'm going to resize it to be a little, since I have already another plant, but I love plants. I love plants. So I'm just going to insert it. Just put it there. Huh? Yes. Think there. Okay, let me try and move it a little bit. There. Let's stay there. And then I want another hanging plant. Before an hanging plant, okay, sorry, that is a mistake. So I want a wall clock, image, web search, transparent wall clock, transparent wall clock. So let's take this to match the bookshelf, the wood one. So there is the clock, so I'm going to resize it, make it a little bit smaller, and I want it there above this plant. Yes. Okay, let me resize it. It looks like, yes, there. It is okay there. Now I want another plant. Insert, image, search the web, a transparent hanging plant. Hanging plant, like that. I love this plant. So insert. And you see my class is now coming together. The class is already coming together and looking fine. So there is the plant. I just resize it. just resize the plant and then move it to where I want it to be. Okay, I'll move my whiteboard a little bit like that, so that my plant fits. So there it is. There it is, my hanging plant. And here is my whiteboard. Yes, like that. There is the hanging plant and there is my whiteboard. Okay, let me get a globe and put it on the bookshelf. So image, search the web, then a transparent globe. There. Yes, I want a globe with a stand, so insert. You see my class is coming together. My class is really coming together and I like it. So I'm resizing my globe. Resizing my globe. There it is. Oops, can't fit. Let me resize it a little bit. Yes, like that. So it's seated on the bookshelf. Let me move it a little bit there so that it sits on the bookshelf. So there it is, my globe. Let me resize it to be a little bit smaller. There. So there is my globe. So basically that is how my class is coming on. So now the final step, get my Bitmoji. Get the Bitmoji. So there is the class. So the final bit, the Bitmoji. So I'll just come here. I already downloaded the app on my phone and selected my Bitmoji. So this is a Chrome extension. There my seated Bitmoji. I just drag it there. So this is my Bitmoji here. There you can see. So I resize it and make her sit. Now this is Nana Edna in class. Nana Edna is in class, seated on the couch. Now I flip that, rotate, oops, rotate, flip horizontally. There she is, Nana Edna. Let me make her bigger, a little bit bigger, like that. Let me move her so that she can sit on the couch well. So there is Nana Edna seated in class. That's my Bitmoji. So my Bitmoji there seated in class. So I can write, for example, if I want to say good morning class. Now if I want to write, I just come text box, then so I can write, for example, let's say this is grade 2. Okay, caps, grade 2 blue, for example. And then I can even write the date. What's the date today? Today is on 26th of July. The year is 2020, like that. So let me format that, bold, I can even add the font like that, and I can even change the color if I want. I can do blue, and then I can underline like that. So you play around. If I want to say something, I can say, I come to the shapes here. I want a call out. Yes. I just pick that and I draw it on there. Make it look like Nana Edna is speaking something. Oops. I moved that. Yes. So I will enlarge this. Then move it so that it seems like Nana Edna is speaking something. Yes, so I can say I can come there, get a text box, enlarge it, now then I can text. Say good morning class. Good. Okay. You can say good morning friends. Good morning friends. Welcome. Welcome to our virtual class. So I can do that. So I can do that like that. And then I can add the font. I can make it bold. I can change the color. I can change the color like that. Good morning friends, welcome to our virtual class. So basically you can, let me try to make this a little bit smaller. Oops. Okay. Let me try to enlarge a little bit so that the words fit. So like that. Good morning friends, welcome to our virtual class, for example. So basically that is how we do it. And that is my virtual class there. I really have fun creating virtual class. How to create a virtual class. So I can bold this and add the font. Add the font there, and I can even color it. Okay, let me just try to play around with colors. Just be creative. Just playing with colors. Something like that, how to create a virtual class. Okay, so when it comes to that, so let me change the color of that. And basically that is my virtual class. That is my virtual class. And now for you to fix this, maybe you don't want when your pupils or your students click on, you see, if I click on this, I can move this around. You see, I can move it around. So I don't want my pupils or my students to move anything around in the class, unless maybe it's a link that I want them, when they click on the links, they can watch whatever I want them to watch. So what I do, I just come here. Once I'm done with this, I go to File, then Download. You can download it as a GPG image, GPG, or a PNG. So I am going to download it as a PNG. So you see, it is downloading. It's downloading. Already downloaded. So once it's downloaded, so I can now do what? I delete this because it's already downloaded in my computer. Okay, so I come here. This is a new slide. I open a new slide and I delete the text boxes. I delete the text boxes. Once I delete the text boxes, now I come here to Insert Image. Now upload from computer. I'm going to upload it from my computer. So downloads, here it is. I downloaded this there. And there is my class. And there is my class, and it fits perfectly well on the slide. It fits, so you can adjust for it to fit perfectly like that. Like that. So you see, there is the class. So if now I click on the bookshelf, there is nothing. If I click, there is nothing. Nothing moves now. And now everything is intact. Now if I want more of this, I just duplicate the slide, duplicate, and I can change the wordings. For example, slide 2 now. I can come here and click here. So I can duplicate and make more slides that will be used in class. And basically that is how you create your virtual class. It's fun. Just try it and you tag me along. Yes. So folks, that's how we create a virtual class make sure that you download the app on the Bitmoji on your phone, because you cannot download that on your computer. So I hope you've enjoyed and you've learned something. If you're a teacher, or you know of a teacher, or maybe you aspire to be a teacher, just like this video, share, comment, and kindly subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting. Just subscribe and let us get to 1,000 subscribers. At least 1K. At least 1K. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. Until next time, always remember to feed your dreams and starve your fears. Bye!